Hi there. I am so sorry I did not see your comments in my how to group elements in on your iPad. I am so deeply sorry. I hoped you were able to find the answer to your question since I see that you posted a month ago, but I just saw it today. So I quickly just went on to Canva and recorded this little video for you. So I hope it really helps you out. Okay, so we're going to start by looking at this design here and seeing the different layers. So if you tap, this is your first layer. I locked that, sorry, so let me unlock it. I tap, and this is my top layer, and you can tell it's on top of the balloons and it's on top of the capybara. I hope that's how you say it. So now you want to select the balloons, let's say. So the first thing you can do is you can actually just move your top design. It has to be out, as long as it's a little bit out of the text border of the purple, you can select the balloon. Okay, and then you can do whatever you need to it. Move it around, adjust it, move it over, and then you can move your happy birthday back. Same thing with the capybara. Move it, as long as you have something that's outside of the border, just a tiny bit, like just the ears, you can select it. Okay, and then you go back after you're done making changes to your element. That's the first way. Now the second way is what I'm sure most people do because they don't want to keep moving the top layers. They go to position, and then here you can see arrange, and you can see layers. So what you can do is you can actually move the happy birthday back. So now the other two elements are in the front, and then you make changes there. And then after you're done with it, you can actually move it back to the front. Okay? And the other way is to go to layers. So you can also just hold on to the first layer until it does that, and then you move the layers down, and now the capybara is in the front. Or you can do it the other way, where you can select the element, the layers, and then just from there change and edit, change or edit your element. And then here you just move your happy birthday back. So it's all about playing with the layers here. So those are the ways that I know how to select the layers underneath. Okay, so I really hope that helped you, and I am so deeply sorry about missing your comments. Have a good day. Bye bye.